Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a photo album on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the Photos application. Search for this. Click on the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, what we will do is now go to the left-hand side navigation menu where we see albums. Within albums, we have my albums. What I can do is actually click on a photo and now create an album by clicking on the plus sign. This gives us a drop-down menu with album. Click on this and now we can see that the album that we clicked on has been automatically added into this new photo album that we have created, which I will call my album. Let's now go back into the library. Now let's create another album but not select any photo. Album. Let's call this my album 2. Let's go back to library. Now what we can do is highlight the image, right click, and then add to my album 2. As you can now see, that album now has an image inside the album, which is fine. Go back to library. We can also use another technique to create an album with the photo that we select. So if I were to, let's just say, highlight the image, go to File, now click on New Album with Selection, which is one photo. Let's now call this My Album 3. That's fine. Let's go back to library. Now let's quit photos. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.